In the heart of eastern Nigeria lies a surprising beauty, a region known for its vibrant people, its bustling markets, its deep history, but also a region where nature reveals a quieter, more elegant side. Scattered across the southeast are towns many have never truly seen, towns shaped by hills and valleys, by blue lakes, deep forests, and peaceful farmlands. Places that in moments resemble the countrysides of Europe. Today, we begin a journey through 8 extraordinary Igbo towns, from the highlands of Enugwu Ukwu to the lakes of Oguta, from the misty hills of Alor to the pine forest of Ngwo. This is the Igbo countryside, like you have never seen it before. Once a quiet rural settlement, Oba has evolved into one of Anambra's most rapidly modernizing towns. Its landscape is marked by wide, gently curving roads, low-rise homes, spaced with intentional greenery, and a calm suburban ambience, rare in many parts of Nigeria. Oba's transformation has been driven largely by returning families, diaspora investments, and its proximity to major commercial centers. Yet, despite its growth, the town maintains an airy open countryside feel, the kind you might find on the outskirts of small towns in Portugal or southern France. This balance of modernization and natural calm sets Oba apart, a suburban countryside shaping its own identity. In the quiet stretches of Ekusigo sits Orifite, a place of open fields, interlocked roads, and endless greenery. It is a town where farmland meets modernity, where trees line streets, peaceful roads, and where the harmony between old and new creates breathtaking landscape. Orifite's resemblance to the European countryside is unmistakable. The soft curves of lands and simplicity of its architecture, and the silence that greets you at dawn. Here, time seems to slow down and nature takes the center stage. Alor rests on elevated terrain, surrounded by valleys, hilltops, and winding roads. At sunrise, clouds hover just above the rooftops, giving the town its famously misty mornings. This atmosphere, cool, soft, and almost mystical, mirrors the Italian hills, towns of Umbria, or the French countryside at dawn. Alor's beauty comes from its terrain. The town isn't flat. It rises and falls in gentle slopes, creating scenic points from which you can see miles of landscape stretch into the horizon. It is a place where nature shapes culture, where people build their homes to face the hills, and where the land dictates a lifestyle of peace and reflection. Oguta. Oguta is one of the most visually stunning towns in all of eastern Nigeria. Its centerpiece, Oguta Lake, is a vast, serene body of water, clean, deep, and strikingly beautiful. In the early mornings, the lake mirrors the sky, creating a perfect reflection that makes the town feel suspended between water and heaven. Oguta's charm resembles that of small Swiss and Austrian lake towns, calm, peaceful, naturally inviting. The air is cooler there, the vegetation is greener, and life moves with the rhythm set by the silent water. Ngwo is a world of its own, a forested highland filled with towering pine trees, cascading caves, and hidden springs. The Ngwo pine forest is one of the most striking natural wonders of the southeast. Its tall, perfectly aligned trees creating a scene that could be mistaken for a forest in northern Europe. The coolness of the air, the echo of footsteps on the forest floor, the green canopy overhead, everything about Ngwo feels tranquil and ancient, a place where nature speaks in whispers. Abiriba, often called Small London, is a town built with intention and taste. Known for its diaspora influence, Abiriba boasts of some of the most refined architecture in the region. Its road network is orderly, its compound are landscaped, and its neighborhoods look like quiet residential districts in parts of Germany or Belgium. Yet, despite its modernity, Abiriba retains its deep cultural identity, a town where beauty and tradition coexist effortlessly. Nkwerre is defined by its trees, tall, elegant, and centuries old. These trees form a natural arc over part of the town, giving Nkwerre the appearance of a European forest village. Walking through the town feels like stepping into a painted postcard, cool, shaded, and profoundly peaceful. Nkwerre's serenity is its identity, a calm, elegance crafted not by architecture but by nature. Enugwu Ukwu rises confidently above the plains. Its homes, built on high ridges and sloping hills. From above, the town reveals a layered beauty. Red roofs scattered across the landscape like pieces of thoughtful artwork. The terrain creates a dramatic visual. Roads that wind like rivers. Neighborhoods set against sweeping backdrops and viewpoints where the sky seems close enough to touch. Enugwu Ukwu has the unmistakable charm of hillside town in Spain and Greece, elevated, breezy, and breathtaking. These 8 towns reveal a truth often overlooked, that the Southeast is not only a place of enterprise and resilience, but also one of unexpected natural beauty. From forests to lakes, from hills to green farmlands, from planned suburbs to quiet shaded villages, the Igbo countryside stands proudly among the most enchanting landscapes in Africa. A reminder that beauty is not found only in faraway lands. Sometimes it is right here at home. As we leave these enchanting landscapes behind, one truth becomes clear. The beauty of Igboland is deeper, richer, and far more extraordinary than many ever imagined. From the misty hills to quiet lakes, from shaded forests to peaceful countryside roads, these towns stand as living proof that the Southeast remains one of the most naturally stunning regions in Africa. But this journey doesn't end here. There are more stories to tell, more towns to explore, and more hidden treasure waiting to be uncovered across Igboland. If you believe the world needs to see the true beauty of the Southeast, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps this channel bring more stories, more history, and more breathtaking places to light. Join us, and together, let's continue showcasing the real Igboland to the world.